Hello, guys. So, if you made it here, you are looking to accomplish a couple of things in your VA disability claim process. Okay. One of them is to look for more information, or second one is to either start your initial claim or to apply for a increased claim with the VA. So, this is my tool, tacticalclaimci.com. I did have some issues earlier today during my live stream, but I got to tell you something. Make sure that when you sign to the website after you log in and create your account, make sure that you log in with the right account. Okay. Things happens. Okay. So I wanted to show you something very easy to accomplish, and I want you guys to understand the purpose of this tool. So number one, the tool is here for you guys. The goal of this page is not to make lots of money, as you guys can see. We are probably one of the most inexpensive solutions out there that can provide you the power of AI. And the other thing that I will say to you guys is that with this tool, you will be educated. Okay. So yeah, I'm logging back in. I want to bring you to this portion right here where it says AI evidence review. I do recommend you guys to go to the whole web page, to all the tools. In addition, here there's a more section with more and more tools for you guys. But if you want to go straight into file your claim and you just don't want to waste any time, you log into you create your account, you sign up for your package, either $20 or $30, or you work under your 7-day free trial, and you go right here, okay, where it says ready to build your claim. Yeah, you're ready to start your claim. You click right here. You read, of course, the warning. Make sure that everybody reads the warning. You can upload uh, VA documentation here, medical records, DD-214s, awards, PCS orders, anything. So I'm gonna provide you an example of something that I see most common among the people that are visiting the website. So most people, have service-connected disabilities. I'm gonna put in my case sleep apnea. We're gonna do 50%. Okay. This is my current VA rating. I am looking to apply for a PTSD. What are the symptoms? Nightmares, mood, irritation. Did I spell it right? Yeah, sure. Medication. Let's say that my doctor provided me with sertraline for mood swings, anxiety, whatever the case may be. What is my goal? My goal is to increase my rating because I already did my initial. You can do your initial here as well with this tool. How are you connecting? How are you connecting this to service? Direct, secondary, presumptive. I'm gonna put direct. Do you have a Nexus letter? I'm gonna put no Nexus letters yet. Okay. But if you have a Nexus letter, you can put yes. From my treating physician, 85% BVA grant rate. So what it says right here is that 85% of the people that submit, uh, uh, I'm sorry, 85% of the cases that are approved by the BVA had a Nexus letter. They're not approved, but 85% of the claims that go through the BVA process, they have a Nexus letter. Okay. And then let's say here that you have a Nexus letter, and then the physician, the doctor wrote, "It is my opinion." This this is service connected. Opinion. Okay. So and here you got a couple options. This claim was previously denied. I have a body letter. I have a medical something, and then I have deployment records. You know, your strength score is going to 72. You click analyze, And then this tool is going to provide you everything that you need. You don't have to pay no claim charge. You don't have to pay no. It is insane. You don't have to go with this one of those super expensive websites that will rip you off. Nope. So this is gonna take about a minute or so, less than that, and it's gonna get you through everything. It's gonna tell you your analysis, what you need. This is your claim package. You have to, click these options and go in and out. It's gonna give you a recommended path forward based on your situation. It's gonna give you a structured guide. I'm gonna show you in a second. It's gonna give you claim scores, medical records filing. It's gonna guide you step by step. It's gonna tell you. It's gonna give you here a Nexus letter, okay, rating based on what I posted right here. Okay, remember what I posted right here? I posted right here that this is what I have on my Nexus letter. It is my opinion. This is service connected. It's telling me here that the rating score of that beverages is bad. It's an F, 20% of 100. If I was to post what most good doctors will put on a Nexus letter, it will increase the grade. But I'm gonna leave that to you guys. Give you a CMP exam prep scripts. This is again for educational purposes only. It give you an evidence gap checklist. It give you a Nexus letter brief. Let me show you real quick. If you go here and you change what I have on here on top, you see how I have an F earlier. If you change this to this, the score went to 87. If you click analyze my records, look how the rating of that Nexus letter, what we put here on the Nexus letter will change, and will change the results. And I built this with my own hands, guys. Me and two other very smart senior software engineers. So I want you to take a look at the rating of the Nexus letter. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I did pass it. There we go. Nexus letter is great. B, 82%. This tool is going to help you with everything. Okay. I'm just gonna tell you right now. You can run a claim discovery. It's gonna tell you everything and anything that you need to know. So, if you are looking at starting your claim, whatever the case might be, you got to do. This is the time. Don't waste. Don't waste your time. I'm going to show you something else. Okay, playbooks. Here on the playbooks, I have 106 conditions. 106 conditions. If you're planning on applying to any of those conditions out here, let's say that you're gonna apply for food, anything with your foot, or GERD, or glaucoma, gout, ankle injury. Let me show you the PDF. I'm going to show it to you. People are charging hundreds of dollars for this. You know how much it costs in here? $40. Why? Because that's what AI will use in tokens to build one of these. My plus and minus what we use from the different platforms that we use to host this information, because I put everything that I was able to get my hands on. Let me show you something here that you get at the end. Okay, you get the forms that you need. You need the claim killers. You need to avoid these things. You get some worksheets. So you get evidence records, spreadsheet. You get evidence checklist, questions for your package. What we have here, educational, medications table, and a notes area. This is too easy, guys. Too easy. So I hope that you guys understand this, and I'm looking forward to see you guys on the site. If you have any questions or any issues with the site, you go to contact, view contact options, and you send me a message. Either myself or two of my guys will get this. We have a dedicated email for this. We work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. So your questions will be addressed in the order that they came in a timely manner. So with that, guys, I'm going to leave you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. And again, it's tacticalclaimsai.com.